I got another eBay video coming your way here. We got a Galaxy 33HML single final radio. All your basic stuff, AM and FM, 6 bands, high and low. You got variable power, 7 watts, about 3 watts, and maybe about 1.5 or 2. Forget. I think it's 731. We'll check it in a minute. Noise blanker works. High and low bands. Echo on and off. You get talkback automatically. When you turn echo off, it goes away. Doesn't include a mic or anything. It's just my test stuff here. It's pretty used. This is an early Galaxy 33. Let's see. Go to channel 6. Of course they slow down when I got it on. Got the echo on. Yeah, here's your about 7 watts. Yeah, about 7. Audio, 1, 2. Audio, check, check. Hello, audio. A hair over 25. It is a single final radio. Channel selector and everything works good. Knobs all work good. This channel 6 will shut up. But it's good for testing, I guess. Now if I seen... Hello, audio. That's talkback and my monitor radio. If I turn the talkback off, audio, 1, 2. That's the echo off. Audio, 1, 2. Audio is pretty good and clean. Audio. It's been all lined and tuned up and everything. I don't think it has the super swing mod crap. Let me see. Audio, 1, 2. Audio. No, pretty good well stocked. So at 1 watt, you're swinging about 15. At the 2 or 3 watt setting, you're swinging about 20. On high, you're swinging to 25. So yeah, this one's pretty good. Mic here. Let's see. So I don't need to drop it. It started going toward the trash. But a little bit rough. It's like serial number 117591, made in Malaysia. I could use a little cleanup. If you got one of them new bezels and faceplates or something you stick on here and new covers. But if I put $60 or $70 into it and sell it, you know, for what I'm going to sell it for, I wouldn't be making no money. So, but for the way it is, man, it's in pretty good shape. If you got an old Jeep or an old truck, something you want a nice radio, but you want something that's not brand new, so you don't tear it all to bits, getting it dirty. That's your radio right there. Got everything you need and nothing you don't, other than maybe sidebands. So we'll throw this up on eBay here in a little bit, and yeah, we'll catch you later. 73s, I'm out.